See, he got me fucking up my words. See, this is why I don't watch people like this, because he's not as comfortable with his in front of the camera speech, because he needs to be reading off a script. But he is a doctor, so we like to listen to professionals. Hell, shout out to the professional beat maker we got on deck. Shout out to the big homie DJ is. It's all love and respect, bruh. Man, I'm gonna have to put you on 1.5, man. 1.5. You done took 5 minutes and ain't talking about weed yet. Did I put on sleep timer? No. Mother lover, we meant to hit play speed, man. This boy, yeah, 1.5. It's like a 3.5, but you're missing two.
per body because you can use your arms, you can burn more calories throughout the day, which will lead to more sustained weight loss. So people that just do cardio all day long have trouble losing weight when they plateau. Michelle Squiddy, hey doc, how's Roxy? Haven't seen her in a while, hope she's good. Michelle, Roxy's amazing. I actually just had her stay in my place for the last 3 weeks because my dad went on vacation to Spain. Super jealous because I didn't get to go. Having Roxy and Bear in my apartment is crazy because they're just on top of each other the whole time. They love playing. I'm trying to share some stuff on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, you should be. It's Mike. So definitely follow me. I put updates on me, Roxy, and Bear all the time. Is one sleeping position healthier than others? Me, the general rule my patients is you should sleep in whatever position you feel most comfortable. Now, if you experience pain in a specific you should change. If you experience acid reflux or postnasal drip, there are ways to change your sleeping position. So if you ever feel like you're not getting restful sleep or you wake up feeling sore, that's a good conversation to have with your doctor. Mr. Jason Hammer. Hey, Dr. Mike, can you tell us what you think about weed? Marijuana. Marijuana.
Man, 6 minutes and 43 seconds into his video. Man, I might have to just go into the green room so we get back on topic for my channel. But hell, I'll criticize because I know I'm guilty. Hey, I'm guilty. Don't do what I do. Just listen to what I say, right? That's that bullshit. Hey, fire in the hole. Shout out to it being 420 somewhere. It ain't 420 in Missouri, but it's 420 somewhere. You dig?
Marijuana, hot topic in the press right now. It's getting legalized. It seems like everywhere in New Jersey where I practice.
Let's actually go back to our regular place. See, something told me I was right to skip the rest of his shooting off about the puppies. The puppies.
It's actually, you're able to prescribe it for a certain number of medical conditions. In New York, they're thinking about legalizing it for recreational use. Is it as bad as something like alcohol? Probably not, but do we have firm research on that? No, not yet. Not talking about marijuana for medical usages. I think marijuana for medical usages should have been researched decades ago, and the fact that we haven't is truly disappointing to me. Now, I'm talking about recreational use. Now, here's the difference. When you drink alcohol, because it affects so many parts of your body, gives you hangovers, makes you throw up, it functions itself as a deterrent. So it limits how much you can drink and how often you can drink. When you smoke marijuana or you eat an edible, you can really do that for a long period of time. And you can do it multiple days in a row. And it doesn't have much of a deterrent, other than probably, I would say, smell. Because a lot of people are turned off by the smell of marijuana. Or at least many people that I know are. So the fact that you don't have this deterrent that alcohol has can really make you consume a lot more marijuana than you can alcohol. Also, a lot of people self-medicate with marijuana. They have some social anxieties, and instead of facing their goals, instead of achieving and becoming better people, that they can become happier with themselves, they blunt that anxiety by smoking or ingesting marijuana. So do I think marijuana is this horrible, evil thing that people have once said it once was, and I thought it was when I was younger in 5th grade doing DARE and all those other drug programs? It probably isn't. If it's destigmatized and legalized, it probably won't be the gateway drug that we once thought it would be. I think it's on its way to get legalized, but it doesn't mean that it's safe. It doesn't mean that I recommend people do it. I do think it has serious medical harms that do exist that we don't yet even know about because it hasn't been studied properly. My thoughts on marijuana should probably be legalized before we start labeling something as evil or amazing. We should get our research behind that. So that's why I'm never going to tell you marijuana is amazing or marijuana is awful, because I just don't have the research to show otherwise. The big danger with marijuana is young people using it, and it could change the chemistry of your brain and change the development of it, so that's obviously a danger. But we can regulate that, we can control it. There are some pros, there's also some cons. It's about balancing that and getting your science in order before making a decision. I'm still looking at the science. I'm not an expert. I'm looking to improve. So if you have some articles you want me to